Good morning, friends. I am Sul Qureshi. Today, I am here to talk about the practice of dowry in India. Wikipedia defends a transfer of a parental property at marriage of a daughter is called dowry. In Hindi, it's called Dahej Pratha. This can be form of cash, valuable metals, any expensive thing like car and piece of land. This transfer of a parental property is often received by groom and groom's family, depending on the local tradition. On a parallel thought, dowry has reverse practice. It's called bride price or bride wealth. In this dowry, the transfer of wealth from groom's family to bride family. Dowry has different flavors in all India. MP has different flavors, Maharashtra has different, Goa has different, UP has different, Gujarat has different, South states have different, and East state have different. So when did it start? In world history, the practice of dowry has been reported in Greek Empire and Roman Empire. In this discussion, we can try to get a perspective of dowry in India. So, how did it grow to be a social evil? Dowry has too many facts. First, the pressure of having to satisfy the greed of groom's family. It made a challenge for parents to raise their female child. It increased female infanticide. Female infanticide means killing of female child just after the birth. It impacts the gender ratio of our country. Due to female infanticide, men more than women. Second, it has become a business. Dowry system created an institute of greed. Dowry system also have different disadvantages like delay of marriages, illegal relationship, and life without peace. Now, practice of dowry is strictly illegal, but it is practiced among people from all major religions, where some people are relaxed about it, others takes too seriously. So what is the position of dowry in India today? Although practice of dowry is strictly illegal, but it has become socially accepted tradition. What have we done about it? Several laws had been passed since Indian independence to prohibit the practice of dowry. We have Inheritance Act, we have Dowry Prohibition Act, we have Protect the Women from Domestic Violence Act. Despite all these reforms, in 2013, 8,000 deaths were reported in India. It means one woman dying every 16 minutes because of dowry related reason. So what can we do about it? First, we can spread the awareness that dowry system is a social evil. It is a curse. We can get help from our religion because Islam does not support dowry system. Hinduism does not support dowry system. Buddhism does not support dowry system. Second, we can lead by examples because being an example is better than to give advices. We don't take any type of dowry in our marriages. Third, we should push for uniform civil code. But India is a diverse country. It consists of various communities. They follow their personal law based on their belief. So we have diversity, and diversity is our identity. We do not need uniform civil code. We need to unite together against dowry system. The youth of our country must come together, raise their voice against dowry system. I hope we will destroy dowry system very soon. Thank you for watching. Let us build a better society together.